Hello, Biafrans, freedom at last. You can see how the crowd are yelling for Mazi Nnamdi Kalu. Mazi Nnamdi Kalu lifting his hand up in a sign of freedom. Indeed, freedom has come for Mazi Nnamdi Kalu.
So when you're in her office, okay. So this is the thing. They give a directive that 7 doesn't exist anymore. So that they should amend it, change it, it doesn't exist. I still play to that 714 law.
Yes, it was an error.
It's not an error, big error. So I want them to correct
that.
That
was one of the motions we asked, that appeal should be set aside.
That's correct.
It has been had.